Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Guys, this is going to be an unboxing video. I got a package from Amazon and I thought, a lot of people could use this because a lot of people who comes like delivery people, they always asking me about my screen outside of my front porch, which you'll see shortly, and where did I get it from? I just purchased another one because a lot of the times when delivery people come by, for some reason, they go to the side instead of opening it in the middle. It's a line down the middle that lets you know just to pull it open, but they go right to the side and pull on it. So we had to get a heavy-duty stapler gun and tape and things. So I just decided to purchase a new one, and I will be sitting outside when these delivery people come from now on to make sure they don't mess up my screen. But here it is. And this is what it looks like. And you see where the opening is? It's a line down the middle of it that you pull apart. But they go to right here on the side of the wall out front, but you're going to see, and they pull on this part, and I just have no clue. And I have a sign up outside over top of my screen stating open here. And it has an arrow coming down, and you'll probably see that too. I did 2 little video clips, and I'm going to show you those right now. And this is the screen from the outside. I have a sign there for them to enter in the right spot, but they always enter at this spot here. That's why you see it loose there and you see it loose there. This is why I had to buy a brand new screen, but it goes all the way down and goes up. And it excludes this dirty ground. I did not know they had this ground this dirty with all these cigarettes and things that keep dropping. Okay, so it's the same one, same measurements. It's just from a different person. It's just from a different company or however. So, but it's the same one and the same measurements, 9'7". So I'm 9 feet wide, 7 inches long, I believe, or either or. Let me see. It actually doesn't have it on here, but it has it where on the package that I ordered it from. But yeah, I'm sure it's 9 feet long and 7 feet long and 9 inches wide. And please excuse the ground. I rarely go outside, y'all. I kid you not. I barely go out my door, period. I barely leave out the house. I'm a house person. I'm in here for months and months. Like now, I can't remember the last time I've been out the house. Because I do so much stuff online, I don't need to be out. And everything is available that I need online. But yeah, excuse that ground. I didn't even know the ground was that dirty. But I have smokers in here that they smoke outside. And they just got the ground a mess. So I said we're gonna have to clean that ground, put some bleach and stuff down and just scrub it with a broom or something to get that back to some color. But that's what I wanted to show you guys. Like I said, a lot of people love this screen, and it does help with keeping the bugs out. Even the birds are angry. The birds are angry. They're kind of used to it now, but I guess they were coming up under my porch when it would rain to protect themselves from the rain. They used to come and hit against that net. I could see it on my cam. And then a couple of times while the net was down a little bit from somebody pulling on it, a bird had got caught up in there, and Calvin had let the bird out. But the bird, sometimes one time I went out there to go into my storage closet. When we first got it, it was even the daggone bees and wasps. It was a wasp that was so angry, it just kept hitting it. All you hear is buzzing. That's how I knew something was there. I just kept hearing this buzz, and I'm looking around. It was hitting against the screen like, what is going on here? Why I can't get in there? So it does keep the bugs and things out, and that's what I bought it for. I bought it to keep them flies out the mosquitoes and things like that. Because as soon as you open the door, it's like they be right there waiting to come in. Okay, guys. Well, I'm gonna put a link to it down in the description, just in case it's something that you might want, something you might want to order. And I'll see you on the next one.